Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Civic front bumper, updated. Start by parking on level ground and removing the bumper clips and screws carefully, then set the bumper on a padded surface to avoid new scratches. Work in good light and keep fasteners organized so reassembly is easier. I will guide you through filling cracks, replacing clips, and prepping the surface for paint restoration in clear, step-by-step detail. When repairing a bumper, you want to balance strength with flexibility to prevent future failure. Warm the area slightly for better adhesion, then apply plastic weld or epoxy according to product directions. Sand through 80, 180, and 320, grit to achieve a smooth transition and remove excess material. Follow with a flexible primer and a thin application of automotive filler where needed, and sand again for a consistent finish before painting. Thanks for sticking with me, and if this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY car repairs. Quick recommendation: consider the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music and timing while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support helps the channel bring more practical tips, parts lists, and clear step-by-step guidance. Now let's get back to the video. Painting a bumper requires patience and proper prep to look factory fresh. Clean and use a plastic adhesion promoter, then apply several thin base coats, allowing dry time between coats. Finish with 2 to 3 clear coats to protect the paint and restore gloss. Reinstall the bumper using new clips and confirm alignment before tightening fasteners, and check gaps visually to ensure an even, professional appearance after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.